WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my four-way with the 3 Badger helmets and the, what was the other thing? Oh, the Rogers draft day. So we will check the time April 13th at 2:05 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have April 13th at 2:05 p.m. There is the list of our 21 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Doug. Spot 13 is your winner. So, Doug, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, April 13th, 2:05 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.